In this video, you'll learn how to admit participants in Google Meet so you can control exactly who joins your meeting and when. We'll go through the full process from opening your meeting to handling join requests to letting people in smoothly once your call is underway. Let's start at the very beginning by opening Google Meet. You can do this from a web browser on your computer or from the Google Meet app on your phone or tablet. On a computer, go to the Google Meet website and sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're there, you can either start a new meeting or join one that's already scheduled. The important thing is that you're the meeting host or a co-host, because only hosts and co-hosts can admit participants. After you've opened your meeting and you're inside the call, take a moment to get set up. Make sure your camera and microphone are working the way you want, and check that you can see the main meeting window. As people start trying to join, you'll begin to see join requests appear. Now let's talk about those join requests. When someone tries to join your meeting and they're not automatically allowed in, Google Meet will show you a small pop-up notification, usually near the bottom or the middle of your screen. This will include the name of the person who wants to join and give you the choice to admit or deny the request. Think of this as your waiting room. Until you approve them, they can't see or hear what's happening inside the meeting. It's a good idea to glance at the name before you let someone in, especially if you've shared the link widely or posted it somewhere public. This helps you keep your meeting secure and limited to the people you actually expect. If you recognize the name, you're ready for the next step. To admit someone, simply click the Admit button that appears with their request. Once you click Admit, that participant will be brought into the meeting and will appear in your participant list and possibly in the main video grid if their camera is on. If multiple people are trying to join at once, you'll see multiple notifications and you can click Admit for each participant one by one. Take your time with this, especially at the start of the meeting when many people may be joining at the same time. If you ever miss a pop-up or you want to double check who's waiting, you can open the People or Participants panel inside Google Meet. There you'll see a list of everyone currently in the call and anyone still waiting to be admitted. From that panel, you can also admit people by clicking the same Admit option next to their name. As your meeting continues, new join requests might appear. Just handle them the same way. Look at the name to confirm they should be there, then click Admit to let them in. This simple process gives you control over your meeting, helps avoid unwanted guests, and keeps your sessions focused and secure. That's all there is to it. By opening your meeting, watching for join requests, and clicking Admit for each participant, you can manage who joins your Google Meet quickly and confidently.